right now, my whole picture is one layer. What I can do is like this. I can add another layer. And to add a new layer, we're going to click on this button. And I have right now on top of the little boy a layer. Now, this layer has a checkerboard on it. Checkerboard means that it is clear. Now watch what I'm going to do. I'm on this clear layer, and I'm going to go and do the same thing that I did before. I'm going to go to the paintbrush, and I'm going to make him a red nose. But now my red nose is not part of my boy. It is just a layer on top of him. So at any point that I want, I can close the red nose and it's not there anymore. I can open it up. I can go back, and somebody sent me this question. Once I select something and then I go on to do other things, like how do I go back to that selection? Well, if it's not on a different layer, you can't, which is why today we're going to learn how to manipulate layers and how to use them to your advantage. So each thing, every step that you do will be on a separate layer, which basically means it's a new way of doing things, but it will make your life much easier once you learn how to do it, because nothing is like connected with each other. Each thing is a separate layer. It also helps a lot of times, you work on a few things for a customer and you want to show her different options. So by one option, you close certain layers and you show her one thing. By another time that you send it to her, you close off other layers and you show her something else. But it's all there and you can go back to it. And I can come back to this in a week. And if it's on separate layers, then I will have no problem taking the nose off, putting it away. Otherwise, if this is on one layer, if my nose is on the boy and not on a different layer, next time I go back, I can't even remove the nose. If I try to remove this red nose, it will take off his nose with him because it's like glued onto the picture. This way, my nose is not connected to him. At any point I want, I can do anything I want with it, and it does not affect my original image.